This question is about simplifying the algebraic expression. The first thing we need to do is take account of this power of 3. And this means that the whole expression is multiplied by itself 3 times. 4x cubed y squared times 4x cubed y squared times 4x cubed y squared. Then, because everything is multiplied together, we can rearrange and change the order without changing the nature of the problem. So we could multiply those 4's together. We notice that we've got x 3 times, x cubed, and x cubed. And the same with the y, we have y squared, and y squared. 4 times 4 times 4 makes 64. X 3 times, and x 3 times, and x 3 times. If you're not sure about that, you're going to do x 3 times, and times itself by itself 3 times, and 3 times again, which is going to give you x to the power of 9. And similarly, y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2 will give you y to the power of 6. In this question, we're asked to factorise. In factorising, we need to find the highest common factor of 42x squared and 24xy. Let's start with the 42. We can see already actually that we have an x here and an x here, so we can take out a factor of x. But what's the highest common factor of 42 and 24? To do that, we need to do the prime factorisation of each of those numbers. 2 times 21, 3 times 7, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 2. The highest common factor, we've got a 2 there. We've also got a 3. So the highest common factor is 2 times 3, so it's 6. The highest common factor of 42 and 24 is 6, so we take out a factor of 6. We've already mentioned that we have a common factor of x. What does that leave us inside the bracket? 6x to make 42 must be times by 7x minus 6x to give us 24 must be 6 4s are 24. We already have an x, so we'll need an extra y. Similarly, if we're going to use the rectangle method, we know that 42x squared and minus 24xy will be the area, and then we have to find the factors that multiply together to make that. If we look along here, the highest common factor of 42x squared minus 24xy would be 6x. And then we can work out that 6x to make 42x squared would need to have a 7x. And when we have 6x to make a negative 24xy would need a negative 4y. The two factors that are multiplied together would be the 6x and the 7x minus 4y.